Hi, welcome to Module 3, Week 4. This serves as your brief announcements for the week. So really quickly, there is a very last minute change that I made to Module 3, Week 4. You do not have Part 1 and Part 2 quiz for the readings, and that is due to the fact that you have a really thorough peer review that you have to complete with the rubric for the midterm project, and you also have your final midterm project check-in. Ideally, between these two projects, you should be able to create your best draft so that you don't have to resubmit. So what that should look like is this module will open early. Once you have completed Unit 2, you should do all the readings, do the lectures, because a lot of the content in there will be very useful for you with your final project. And you also need to give suggestions of improvements in your peer review based on some of the readings that you've seen. So after you're finished with the readings and the lectures, you would then move on to submitting your the draft version that you want reviewed by your peer to the discussion. Use the discussion feedback, and then submit your final midterm project draft to me. That way you'll have plenty of opportunities to create the best version of what you want me to give you feedback on. And then as I'm providing this feedback to you, you'll be able to kind of really get the best project at the end of the day. So between the midterm project check 1 and midterm project check 2, the final project submission should really be a result of all of those efforts of getting feedback. Now, if you don't submit your part, then it kind of becomes a mute discussion in regards to the feedback that you provided, because it's set up in a way to make sure that you get the most out of each of the opportunities to review your work. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any questions for this week, now would be the time to ask, especially prior to the actual project being due. We have about a week and a half, maybe a little bit more. So please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, especially about the midterm project. Have a great day. Hope that you are having a great pre-weeks of before spring break, and if you're having any challenges, please let me know.